welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving you your favorite dishes and drink, bits and pieces. Anyway, today we want to make you a nice, lovely pineapple chunky drink. Alright, chunky pineapple drink. It's an amazing recipe, very easy and simple, natural. It's coming up to summer, and I know you guys wanna have some drink. Basically got lemon and honey and a lot of icing inside of it. It's just fantastic, guys. So if you like the recipe, please leave your comments below. Thank you so much for the time you spend in watching the video, leaving your comments. We have a lot more recipe coming out for you and your family at home. Remember, if you got too much money, you can donate, subscribe to the channel, and get a copy of my cookbook on online, 50% off. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. See you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. So basically today we want to make you a nice lovely drink, and hopefully you like the drink which I'm gonna make you guys. We always give you your favorite drink, and today we're gonna make you chunky pineapple drink with lemon and honey. First of all, I have a medium-sized pineapple which I cut it up into chunk, remove the skin and cut it up into chunk. As you can see, this is the way it look. Lovely and nice, and they are chunky, sweet and nice. Alright, that's the first thing what you want to do. You can go to the shop and you can buy the one I wish already peel, but I'm already have my one peel and cut up into chunk. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pop it straight inside of my blender right here, and this one is my smoothie blender. Alright, so basically, as you can see, so you want to get as much can hold it inside of it. Lovely. So it's a medium sized one, and it works really well. Right here we're gonna put some honey. I'm not gonna measure my honey, but roughly about 3 tablespoons of honey. Put that at the side. And next we're gonna put some water inside of it. Roughly 1/2 cups of water. Cover it. And we're gonna blend this syrup for probably about 3 to 4 minutes, the least. Because I'm not using the Ninja blender, I'm using the smoothie. This one is just a normal smoothie blender. Alright? Nice and lovely. So this is finished. Not too long. And all I'm gonna do is simple. Pour through my strainer like this. It's gonna get all of that liquid from it. Nice and lovely. So I finished one set. This is the last set. And all I need to do is just use the back of the spoon and simple get it out. Yeah, you don't want this. This is really good. It's fine, but I like the liquid. And what we're gonna do is squeeze off a lemon inside of it. Get those flavor from the lemon right inside of it. Everything lovely. Nice one. As you can see. So this is exactly what I want to see. So it looks rich and nice. So let's give it a taste. Put a little bit more honey inside of it. Let's start. With a taste. Nice, really nice. Lovely. Then, as you can see, got my glass. Got some ice. straight inside of it like that. Lovely. And pour it in like this. Lovely and nice. And serve it with a thick piece of a lemon. That's exactly what we're talking about. Lovely and nice. Look at this. Beautiful, guys. Really lovely. So you can enjoy our lovely recipe and subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you. That's the lovely pineapple, chunky pineapple drink. As you can see, looking fantastic, beautiful, and really nice. Enjoy with lemon and honey. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.